Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the elegance and allure of women's fashion. Today, we're diving into the world of sizzling nighty dresses, perfect for those glamorous evenings or cozy nights in. Whether you prefer delicate lace detailing, luxurious silk fabrics, or seductive satin finishes, there's a nighty style for every mood and occasion. Let's explore some stunning options together. One of the best things about nighty dresses is their versatility. You can effortlessly transition from a romantic dinner date to lounging at home in style. It's all about finding the perfect balance between comfort and sophistication. Accessorizing your nighty can take your look to the next level. Whether it's pairing it with a delicate robe, adding statement jewelry, or slipping into a pair of elegant heels, the possibilities are endless. You don't have to break the bank to look and feel fabulous. There are plenty of affordable nighty options that still exude elegance and charm. Don't be afraid to explore different brands and retailers to find the perfect piece for you. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the enchanting world of women's nighty fashion. Remember, confidence is the key to rocking any look, so wear your nighty with pride and grace.